Hello, welcome to siberSIM. We will show you how to create a new component in the siberSIM platform. First, you have to log in as a SIMmaster, as only SIMmasters are allowed to create components in the platform. To start creating a component, go to the menu panel on the left side of the platform and click the Component section. To add a new component, click the Add Component button on the right side. Now, fill in all the required details. First, select the component type. Then, select the component you want to add. These components will be added or pre-configured by Obfuscate, the product owner. Next, choose the component category. For the VMID, it will be automatically assigned by the platform, so you don't need to fill in that part. Then, enter the component name and the configuration delay in seconds. Lastly, upload the component icon. Once done, review all the details carefully. If everything looks good, click Submit. You can then check your newly created component under the Component section. Now your component is ready. We hope this guide helps you understand how to create a new component in siberSIM. Thank you for watching, and welcome to siberSIM, where learning meets real-world cyber experience. siberSIM assembles and simulates.